So I'm talking about things in the past. $200 million say the land management. Woman atna lands commission ho.
Ebusion AYÄka and SEE TVGH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime I post a video, it's safe. Say we are usabeti me can be. So for any demo fan me why microphone no me use it. Identity dum so or the asempa nabu 24-hour doom so or the asempa nabu. Your microphone now so you to me use you 24-hour doom so. And for example, anything I mean using microphone, but whether they like it or not, you will see a content. List away. I brand papa no. I be cast seba kumi no be. Power FM and I say TV SYZ. NDC 4 station also. Or see McDan. Bebia ni company sort no no. Nyama o year before. O tip nyasa place na easy. Or see o kumkum nkrofo. Or can a more important mammy was say kumkum crofo. Now ebusan for say obi at me kum crofo e Ghana ha. Now who list over unem say we see. I don't go catch the police for now we investigation na munti McDan too. Ana well or say there Adan Krumo no munde McDan ought me find 9C obio. Ought me find 9C. Esan say na sa chrome phone epene achi na ewre no or ye mistake now the 9 to what see wa na ne besi. Secondly, what is strong warning amajo mama his excellency. He say the NDC the mono obi atimi so na oti obi asore na wati e friend saying oti warning anywhere mo pe no asa and asa ne ye mi twi no anu nye de enso de wo masumo asa vote na abem kakra fanche mi we abusianfo but o say e kan say o say mama on should be adentia o say wanya information bi say mama person o ye appointment bi e wo lands commission enim no na lands commission honom no e wo under Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Now since our land commission no nipa mienu a John Mahama say AYÄka sa e consider say or person or appoint you as board chairman. Tan nipa mienu ni na no omu ye part of the problem at the lands commission. And it is John Mahama onim now you have some mistake. A be appointee or appointee sa papa ye friend no Kwame Gyan and I say whatever no or no list away any NDC for be demonstration etia Mahama. We dey buson for a home match. Now me ko ka name found. Say mo amasem. Mu pe mo ko na mo ko appointee pope ebe ye lands commission chairman, board chairman, we dey infame ho. Mu pe mo ko demonstration etia mo aban infame ho. Nya ya enim say dom so a eti na mu de yempa biom after 2028. Me mpe ade a me sorry a branches say fe me fe mo na mo ka say me ho offend ma me ka say me ho fe me be content kakra create mo me so nya kakra me di no light ni ho and to me the last commission send confirm me ho ben en fami ho e na yetim asempa o asemmanye po yetim. Happy second independence. The video is happiness. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and do turn on the notification so that anytime I upload videos, you come and watch my own, okay? Watch my own. Don't watch that of Ajwa. Don't watch that of Facts. Don't watch that of Promise. Don't watch that of Nogopu Artist. Please watch all of them. See you in the next one.
Say Ada Songo. Okay. McDan. Pro kofo bubu kofo kumnipa so we see factory a we dey co produce nchine
omo generators ni ndetwe nsuo ni ade
ye to abawie ye no ohun se John Mahama awe ni no and we stage ye say NDC 4 akobubu ni machines okay
na nkofo ni yiyi sa
na wo obi a okotu machine a eho part a camera si ne so
me hu bi da
owie ya na Joy News and Joy FM 4 and so yes I'm report to be. Look, I have said it on countless times. say McDan is very unintelligent. And you see, sometimes sika timi kodi kwasi abotom. I'm not saying sebi. I'm not being insulting, but sika eyebe. Say sika timi kodi kwasi abotom. As a matter of fact, as early as possible, I was abandoning any cohort. Now say Matisse has seen the workers now no move to almost strike. I think today is about the 11th day since they went on strike. And Chini sense no omo source of livelihood no 10 be wholly free. So who will be a doctor, will be a professor, will be a wine if radan e yanchini na ahwe na mana kodu ba bia wadu. Enti mesre say omo kan di ewo mu omo fo amini kire ho e ma omo ma na nyansa na omo ka se mi hu yanka because e say ba bia duro no se McDan oni mu osi kro ni mu ahwe a wontimi o mafie e ma omo ma na nyansa me advocacy no menye say ye fa nkoye to trasem but enioma McDan dia ye nkofo including even to the point say ye kun journalist wo ho amene nipa o mewu because of sebi onu ni botom sika wo penti no nipa ya bro mu mrewafo a ye di ebo ne nioma bubo mu trim say ye mo mu si omo ankasa asase asebi omo nananom nanankanso no matu nchine wo so e di ahwe wo mo abo omo bra bepinne na twa abaya dwensi so a proper communique will be served on the presidency for them to take action. Number 2, a lands commission. Matisse you say omo pe board chairman ni ho anwan sensem. Look, Aban should be serious. Since 2003, and Aban has spending over $200 million. You say Bank of Ghana say $1 but Sikana ya spending it here, it was in dollars. So I'm talking about things in the past. $200 million say the land management. Omo atna lands commission ho. Am manipulating systems. Atom abayan sa say. Edidi ho. Me hu say yesi mienu. Eda mampani etable so a. Omo pere bendende wanting to become board chairman. Omampani omu ba akukura me demonstration. It would have told us a story of how the president is not taking seriousness to that place. Say land commission omu ma contract omu ntimi tua. Land commission dey is in billions. Court cases are already for including even Osufo ikura dey AU village ne ho anwan. Land commission lose case in court. Nipa no to omofo or to land commission fo lawyer Kwame Gyan. Na wasafo won sane ho enti mesre say me mpese meti Kwame Gyan di o can be na land commission editoriated to how bad it has become. Me say omo contract 100 cedis community me pia. Their kitty is empty because embezzlement nyoma be brakos wo ho no and all those that are trying to find themselves to that position of chairmanship, no, Aban, meaning said John Mahama leader from power. I'm just making them aware. Say, meaning modus operandi, yeah, FIFA back door, John Mahama na so that form. But I'm advocating here on this platform, knowing say, meaning some mampenia badia, so my crowd on news, unti na onfemuaba. We see only the onti where Suleiman and Suleiman and Muhammad me hwan me sa your friend say acquire omupe. Aban should be minded. Say a carry setter, that place needs a total overhaul. A total overhaul. So these are the few things that maybe be okay. And sana